Welcome to the Coherent Thought Sequencing tutorial. Please be aware that coherent thought sequencing is like giving out your address. Please be sure to ground, shield, and set the intention to only interact with positive polarity beings before you begin. Envision our Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is on one of the arms, so zoom in your mind. Keep zooming in until you reach our solar system. As you begin to focus on the earth, if you are practicing during the day, imagine your side of the earth in the daylight, but if it is night, be sure to envision the darkness. Envision your continent, your country, zooming in on your state, your city or town, and your location spot. Now, you will then switch to imagining your current view as if your eyes were open, or you may open your eyes and look at the landscape and the stars from your current spot. Imagine what you yourself look like and think your name. Lastly, feel the love in your heart and send it up like a beacon into the sky. Thank you for joining me. Many blessings on your journey. Namaste. May all beings be free.